Welcome to Module 3, the introduction video. This week we'll be looking at cost estimating and bidding in Chapter 5, as well as Chapter 6, contract clauses. Both of these are pretty important chapters in the overall picture of a construction project. Every project's going to need to be estimated and bidded, and then you're going to have contracts in place. One of the keys with the estimating is everybody does their own estimating. The owner will have the architect and his engineering team, they'll do their cost estimate or an estimate of materials, and the architect usually puts the cost together. Engineers will come up with what's a site for bonding. They'll come up with the estimated cost and they'll use it for bonding, but also that cost actually gets flipped back over to the owner. And then everybody that puts in a bid will also do their own estimating and see if everything lines up. And a lot of times the general contractors will try to find something wrong, something different in the bid process, or the quantities and the things that are being estimated. So it's important that both sides do their own estimating in order to get a bid out. And then the contract clauses are also extremely important because they govern what work is going to be done. Without the contract, nobody knows what they're supposed to do. Contracts are very detailed, very specific as to performance. The book will talk about the AIA documents, what is AIA? It slipped my mind at the moment. I always refer to them as AIA, but Architect Institute of America. That's what they are, American Institute of Architects, had it backwards. So Dave came up with a contract, standardized contract that generally favors the architect. But we'll talk more about that as we get there. And there's an example in the back of the book of an AIA document. So this week, you're also encouraging, you're just about halfway through. We have a 7-week course with some time off at Thanksgiving. So 3.5 weeks in, you're finished. Well, this is our 3rd week. So some of you are doing just fine, and still others have yet to turn an assignment in. So those of you who haven't done much, you may want to get a hold of me because the likelihood of being able to pass is very slim. So like I said, other than that, those of you that are participating, you're doing well, and I will get things published to you and graded from the past couple of weeks. I'll get them out to you soon. All right, have a great week.